While we were excavating in the city and a worker found a bomb even dating back to World War II. Hi, I'm here for another session in our discussion on our knowledge about construction and design. For those who don't know me, I'm Architect Ian and I'll be your host for today's discussion. If you will be building a building, you will need a team. An architect like me will be one of the professionals you need in building construction. Let's start. Today's topic is the stages of building construction. This is the construction phase, right? At this point, you completed the building permit at City Hall. So, what are the stages of construction? Step 1. Site survey. The first part of the construction of a multi-story building is the mobilization of the general contractor and subcontractors. Part of this is to erect worker barracks and generator to ensure a steady supply of electricity to the site. An internal survey will be carried out by the general contractor at the site to determine whether the plan is in line with actual conditions. Active in this phase are professional geodetic engineers and their survey team. All the workers to follow will use the coordinate of the survey during the construction of the building. If there are any drains which are not reflected in the plan, the GenCon will report the same to the designer so that the master plan can be changed if required. Phase 2. Site extraction and excavation. At this stage, all plants and debris are removed from the site and disposed of. If there are trees that interfere with the layout of the building, they will be pulled out or moved to the right place. While the site is being cleared, excavations and backhoes will be mobilized to excavate the points marked by the survey. If there are existing homes that would conflict with the construction, they would be demolished. While we were clearing the site in Iloilo, a worker uncovered a bomb buried in the ground that dates back to World War II. We informed the police. They responded immediately and laid siege to the area. Fortunately, the bomb squad was not able to detonate it, probably because of the decades it had been broken down. Stage 3. Laying the foundation. If a sufficient depth of foundation is reached, the rebar layout will begin. Adhering to the exact depth of the base and structural reinforcement is critical to maintaining a safe building. As the height of the building increases, the foundation cannot support a taller structure. The foundation needs to be supported by the cornerstone because a conventional base cannot support the weight of the building. This is known as piles. Structural engineers are critical to ensure the steel and concrete are adequate as given in the specifications. Foundations are like legs which bear the weight of the building. Stage 4. Construction of structural frame. After pouring the concrete foundation, the contractor will begin building the basic frame. In our body, the anatomical framework is the skeleton that carries the muscles and organs. Concreting can occur at the same time in structural members such as beams, floors, and posts. Depending on the structural design, different materials such as concrete or reinforced concrete may be used. The process of preparing the floor can be accelerated depending on the layout of the plan. There are layouts for beams or columns that need to be inserted separately. Be very careful to follow the proper instructions stated in the structural plans. After pouring the concrete for the first floor, it can be repeated with the higher floors until all the floors are completed. Step 5. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing installation. While the structural frame is being constructed, we can see progress on the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing works. After topping off, it is important to seal the building from rainwater, carrying out electrical works from inside. This includes fire protection systems, HVAC or heating vents and air conditioning, and building security. HVAC is typically mounted on a roof deck because it draws air from the surface. Preparations are being made to install lifts and escalators of the building. Stage 6, finishing stage. The final part of the construction is the interior finishing. Painters, tile setters, ceiling contractors complete their work inside the building. Since the building is sealed, generators, pumps, and air handling units can be installed. Plumbing contractors and electrical contractors can now install fixtures. Depending on the design, curtain walls and windows are attached directly. This includes the desks, cabinets, and counters inside the unit. If you have any questions about the process of building an apartment or commercial office building, don't hesitate to give us a call. The architects and engineers at Archian Builders Construction are here to help you. We design buildings and can provide conceptual sketches to our clients. We have experience in building construction. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to message or call us. We will be here to help you.